Imam said once he was preparing for Friday khutbah. He said, so I'm sitting in my office and I'm trying to prepare my khutbah. He said that my son, he was 4 or 5 years old, you know, he's driving me crazy, man. Every time I put pen to paper, he jumps on me and he wants to play. He's a little boy. So the Sheikh is thinking, you know, look, ya Allah, this kid's driving me crazy. Remember, but to be a man is to be a father also. So for us, we would do give him an iPad, get him off your back. Yeah? This is the father now. This is the 21st century father. Give him an iPad, get him off your back. So the Sheikh is saying, man, look, I need this kid off my back. I need to prepare my khutbah. How do I engage the kid? Give him something constructive. So the Sheikh was saying, the Imam says, I had a magazine. I'm freaking through the magazine and I found the picture of the world, a globe. It was a picture of the globe. So the Sheikh said, look, let me rip this page out and I'll cut it into a little puzzle. Yeah, I'll cut the countries into pieces and I'll give it to the boy and I'll tell him to put it together. He's thinking this will keep him busy at least for an hour. Get him off my back. He said, I cut the picture, I gave it to my son. I said to my son, listen, put the world together. So the Imam said, the boy took it. I'm thinking, finally now I can gather my thoughts and put the khutbah together. He said within a few minutes, the boy was back and the world was put together. So the Sheikh's thinking, my son a genius? He's a little boy. So the Sheikh says, my son, Allahu Akbar, Tabarakallah, how did you know where Europe is and the Americas and the Africas? And the kid doesn't go to school, how did you know? He said to him, Wallah father, I don't know. He said, so how did you put the world together? He said, Dad, on the other side of the picture, there's a picture of a man. So I put the arms together and the legs together and the head together. So the Imam said what? He said, Subhanallah, you gave me my topic. When man comes together, the world comes together. But qasam by Allah, as long as man is destroyed, this world will always be destroyed. Rijal, who suffers the most? When the cat's away, the mice will play.